All right, back in my shop again today on a very important mission. Word through the grapevine, there's just a 2 or 10 or 1,000 of you that want to hear this thing run, and I am gonna do that. All right, should be fairly straightforward. Just hook the power up. I don't think I've done anything to make that complicated. The fuel line is still hooked up, so that should be good. Just need a battery. Luckily, Derek somehow left me with 3 batteries. I don't know how he can go this long without that many batteries. And the prized possession, those plates. You know, better watch it. All right, well, let's get to work. All right, let's pick a battery here and get to work. Now, the question, which one? I think it's pretty obvious. The newest one. You got an 18, no idea, but it's got a handle. And a 19. I think we're going with 19. Okay. Plus, ooh, guy might need a wrench. Oh, no, you gotta put them on the right way. Ooh, perfect. Oh, need a wrench. That looks good. All right. Crawl into the old cockpit here. And I believe this is our, yep, and then this is now our gas pedal. So, let's turn it on. No fires. And give her a, I already know it's a neutral. That is very hard to find, but here we go. Oh. That easy, huh? Just gonna let it warm up for a little bit. It'll be a little nice to it. And then we'll rev it. Oh, we're getting some heat in it. I've had it warming up for a bit. See if she'll want to do some revs without stumbling. I know it's a little cold-blooded. Pretty sure she's throwing flames. I'll have to take a video when it's a little darker. It's got a little stumble to it, but sounds pretty good. Bald eagles right there. That'll wake up the old eardrums. Now I know the acoustics in here probably aren't great for that, but hopefully you guys got a good glimpse of some good old-fashioned horsepower and loud noises. But appreciate all the props on the build so far. It's going to be really fun. It's got a long way to go, but it's going to be worth it. Cheers.